How to send money from PayPal to Revolut. So the first thing that we need to do is log into PayPal and set up our Revolut. Now we can do this with a bank or card. I suggest doing card. So click on link a card here and it's going to ask us for the debit or credit card number. Now it will also ask us for the card type. We can get all of this information here by going to Revolut, and then we will go to the card section in our Revolut business account. Then we'll need to select our card and click on show details. So if you click on show details, you will get all the information required here. So the card number, the card type, it usually should be MasterCard or Visa, the expiration date, and the security code. Now, like I said, after we have gathered the information from Revolut, we'll just click on link card, and now we will be able to make transfers as we would to any card here if we select it from the list. If your Revolut card shows here, then you have successfully connected Revolut to PayPal and you can transfer over your money. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.